After colonization of the whole world by about 14,000 years ago, stable populations grew larger and were insulated from the original populations from whence they came. As a result, new traits emerged in various regions that stayed regionally restricted. We had sickle cell anemia in Africa as a protection against malaria. The lactase persistence allele in milk-drinking populations of Europe and the Middle East began to grow, and various skin pigmentation alleles to accommodate humans in new climates with various penetrants of UV rays from the sun began to appear. From humble beginnings, humans expanded out of Africa into the rest of the world, creating a vast array of alleles in brand new populations. It wasn't until about a few hundred years ago that travel began to bring us all back together again, leading to mixing of the alleles between different populations at rates like we've never seen before. Therefore, the resulting genetic diversity has most likely had which of the following effects. I want you to check any and all that you think apply. That people are more homozygous for more genes, or people are more heterozygous for more genes. That the population is better suited to survive natural selection, or the population is less suited to survive natural selection. Pick which answers you think are best.